Good morning, sir. I am Jasmine Amparado. So, the compilation is composed of three main parts, including training facilities, training record book or TRB, and the last one is the trainees progress sheet. Training facilities. This part lists the tools, equipment, and materials needed in the food and beverage services in situ. Some example include in dinnerware. Kasama na dito yung plates, bowl, and cups. Yung cutleries, spoon, forks, and knife. And yung glassware is yung wine, glasses, glass goblets. And yung serviceware is yung tray, coffee, pot, salt, and pepper shaker. And accessories such as tablecloth and menu folder. So, kung our training facilities are designed to simulate a real restaurant or hotel setting, dito natututo ang trainees kung paano mag-handle ng bawat gamit properly, which is very important in maintaining cleanliness, professionalism, and efficiency. Kasama din dito ang mga space requirement gaya ng lecture rooms, washroom, and supply rooms to make sure the learning environment is safe, organized, and conducive for both theory and practice. Training Record Book or TRB, the TRB document the task accomplished by the trainee with corresponding supervisor remark, for example, is yung prepare the dining room for service, includes the handling, reservation, seating ambience, and putting up decoration. Welcoming guests and take order is yung greeting guests and checking reservation details. Promote food and beverage product is yung suggestive selling, offering promos, and recommending. Pairings, provide food and beverage servicing. Ito naman yung serving beverage wine service and coffee tea service. Handle guest concern, apologizing, showing empathy, and resolving compliments. So, sa every task in the TRB represent a core competency in the qualification of food and beverage services kapag nakalagay na yung competent. Yung ang remarks ng supervisor. Ibig sabihin, the trainee successful demonstrated the skill according to standard. So, the TRB also serves as evidence of learning and gives both accountability and feedback of the trainee. So, the training progress sheet. The progress sheet summarizes the duration, date, performance rating, and initial of both of the trainee and supervisor for each activity. So, taking table reservation took 2 hours, September 25, 2025, rated as competent. Serving beverages efficiently took 1 hour at October 4, 2025, competent. Handling guests compliments such as apologizing, showing empathy, and recording feedback took several hours across different days. It is all competence. So the progress sheet is a tool to track time management and competency development. It ensures na the training spend enough hours practicing each task. It also acts as quick reference to measure if the trainee has achieved all required competencies within the 320 training hours.